All right, this is how to take your work that you've been working on for Prezi.com, all about you, presentation, and sharing it to the Padlet page. The link to the Padlet page is right here. Padlet.com/Clark Technology, one word, no spaces, /STEM. So we're going to do that right here. So over here on that page, up top, you can see it's that same link. You're going to put in your class period alone a post. It's going to include your first and last name and what class period you're in, and the link to your presentation. So when you're in your Prezi account, you click on your presentation. You can edit using this icon right here. So if I click that button, it will take me to this. And now I'm ready to share my work that I have so far. So I'm going to click share. I'm going to click view link. And the first time you click view link, you might have to put a title right here. Once you do that, you click copy, and then it copies it automatically for you. If you don't think it will work, you can always check yourself by right-clicking and clicking copy anyway. That'll work too. I'm going to go back over to this tab, the Padlet page, and then you click on the little plus sign right underneath the period that you're in. Please don't post it in the wrong class period. So you click it right there. The subject is going to be your first and last name, and then what class period you're in. It's going to be the uppercase P, period, one space, and then the number for the class period that you're in. Next, it has different options for uploading. Sometimes it might be like a PDF or a PNG file, but right here we're doing a link to our presentation, so I'm going to click the link button. And then up here, instead of typing it out, I'm just going to right click and paste it. Or again, you can do the shortcuts, Control V, totally up to you. And then I'm going to click this tiny little arrow to click submit. And again, the first time you do it, it might take a little while to load, and that's all right. If you're not done or you need to look something back up, you can click on this little tiny minimize button, and it will pop it down here to the bottom right hand corner. When you're ready to go back to it, if you need to make any changes, you can. And then when you're finished, you can click publish, and it'll put it right under the column that you selected earlier. One little trick for some technical glitches that have been happening for Prezi.com when you're working on it. Sometimes it stops working. If that happens, you just go into the upper right hand corner, click the three little dots, click settings, and then on the left hand side, click advanced. Scroll down to system, and make sure this little toggle is turned off. Right? If it's on, it's blue. If it's off, it's gray. And it's the one that says use hardware acceleration when available. Okay? Once you do turn it off, you're going to click relaunch, and it should refresh and make your Prezi account work. Now, since this is a live link to your presentation, it should it should update any changes you make to your presentation. So let's say you make a change. I don't know, let's change the size of it, the title. And just to double check yourself, you can always click this little cloud with the check mark, and it will sync your changes. That means it will update everything, right? The link, your account, it should update the link to your presentation. And again, your link is right here on Padlet, so it should update automatically all the changes that you're making. If you have any questions, let me know, and have fun creating.